Yamaha V-Star. It's about, I don't know, 60% done. Still gotta get new handlebars and a bunch of other stuff. But I'm pretty happy how he came out so far. I used the Blitz Black John Deere paint that I saw online, and the blue color bobber kit for the seat and the fender. Let's let me fire it up so you can hear it. I also got the 59 Cadillac taillight. It's got the blue dot. I got it pretty cheap on eBay, and I'm looking to change the handlebars pretty soon. I'm not sure if I'm going to go straight track bars or I know, some apes. Removed the rear fender. I'm taking off the front turn signals. Painted some of the covers of the components of the engine. I also